What's up guys, back again with another video. In this video we are going to see how to fix a Tata Sky remote where the buttons are not working. So now what happens is with long usage, after a long time, some of the buttons, like the main ones that you use, like the guide button, the volume or the back or the select or whatever you use regularly, those buttons don't work properly. Rest of them will work, but those buttons will stop working. So how to fix that, we'll be looking at that in this video. Now it's a simple process. It's something that you can do with other remotes also. So I have been doing this from from my childhood time. So the technology has not really changed much. It's almost the same. So we'll be looking at that and we'll be talking about what the technology is. So let's go ahead, first open this up, see how to fix it. After that we'll be talking about whatever we did, because I've already recorded the video before, so there is no commentary on it. I will talk about that later on. So let's go ahead, see the video of how to open this up and then fixing it. Okay, so you've seen the video. So let's talk about what happened in the video. So what we did was we opened this up. We used a plastic prying tool and metal screwdriver to open the sides. There was just one screw here, and after that this actually comes out this way, outwards, and then you can just clean the motherboard. So the motherboard is actually made of circuits, and those circuits actually have carbon and lead coating over it, so that with the reaction after a long time, after using it for a long time, with the humidity, with the reaction that happens, it leaves a thick paste on it. That paste itself doesn't allow the connection to work. So all you have to do is clean out that paste, use some alcohol, something alcohol based, but don't use too much, don't want to spoil this. Just use that a little bit and then clean it off. Once you've cleaned it, before you close it, put the batteries in, put the buttons on, and then check it. There would be some which will still not work. So the ones which don't work, all you have to do is take maybe a fine emery paper and just rub it gently, so that the whatever coating is on top gets removed and it starts working. If not, use a flathead screwdriver and then scrape it a little. That's it, a little, not too much. Don't go deep, if not you will just cut the circuit. Just scrape it a little and then put the button and then see, it should work. So this entire thing was not working before, now it's working. So it works very well, whether it's this remote, whether it's some other remote. I have fixed a lot of remotes, just that it's a headache to open the entire thing, so I generally don't do it. I just buy a new remote. But in case you want to fix your own remote, this is the way to do it. Now another thing, in case you have another remote which does not have a light here, so over here you have a light to show you that the button is working. But what if you don't have a light? Then how to actually find out if the buttons are not working? All you have to do is point it towards a camera. So this is a phone camera right now. So what I'll do is I'll just point it towards the camera like that and press the button. Now you see that light coming up, that is an infrared light. So that infrared light can be captured by a camera, but you cannot see it. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.